Allow me to introduce you to GenSpark Super Agent, a fast-moving autonomous system that can make phone calls to book restaurant reservations and other services using a realistic synthetic voice. It can also plan trips, generate videos, and analyze data. In today's video, we'll look at the features of this powerful all-in-one AI assistant and see how it's challenging existing AI agents like Manus with its real-world usability. You'll see how GenSpark uses several large language models and over 80 tool sets to execute tasks, so stick around to the end to get the full scoop of this super agent. Let's get right into it. 1 month after the exciting launch of Manus, the much-awaited general-purpose AI agent from the Chinese startup Butterfly Effect, another player enters the scene. On April 3, 2025, GenSpark, a US-based company founded by former Baidu executive Jing Kun, unveiled its latest innovation, the GenSpark Super Agent. This new AI agent is being hailed as fast, accurate, and controllable, promising to take general-purpose AI to new heights. GenSpark has positioned Super Agent as a rival to the well-known Manus. You might remember Manus from March, when it made waves by proclaiming itself the world's first fully autonomous AI agent. But here's where it gets interesting. GenSpark took things up a notch by equipping their new agent with the ability to make phone calls. This feature could benefit users who often face language barriers or juggle different time zones. Picture this: you're craving a night out at a restaurant, but instead of fumbling through apps and websites, you chat with your GenSpark Super Agent. You tell them what you're in the mood for, share any dietary restrictions you might have, and let them know when you'd like to go. Then, like a personal concierge, this agent picks up the phone and calls them for you. How easy is that? Think of it as your dining assistant who knows what you want. Besides, this is a significant advantage over Manus, which currently doesn't have voice call capabilities, and that's why GenSpark is getting a lot of attention worldwide. The news about the GenSpark Super Agent's release and capabilities has ignited some passionate debates among professionals in the tech community. Many couldn't help but draw parallels to Manus, seeing this AI assistant as a clear indicator that we're entering a new era of competition in general-purpose AI agent technology. With that said, let's look at the capabilities of GenSpark Super Agent that pits it as a better alternative to Manus AI. Have you ever seen the Call for Me feature in an AI agent before? I don't think so, and not in Manus AI at least. Meanwhile, that's where GenSpark excels, and honestly, it's one of the most ambitious tools I've come across. Why, you ask? This AI assistant can dial the phones of places like restaurants or other service providers in the US, Canada, and Japan and book reservations. I mean, how wild is that? It's a little shocking and a tad scary, too. I was impressed after watching the official demo video of the GenSpark Super Agent. In the video, this AI agent shines at booking calls. What blew me away was how well it understands what users are looking for and how effortlessly it communicates with service providers over the phone. Watching it complete the booking process felt almost like magic. This new feature has left people in awe, and I can see why. It's a big leap forward from the usual AI assistants we've been accustomed to. If you think this capability is interesting, wait till you see the next one. Alongside that, GenSpark has built-in video creation features. I've found that it differentiates itself from Manus, especially when creating short-form videos. It's pretty cool how it utilizes models like Kling, Luma, Veo, and Pixverse. One of my favorite features is its ability to stitch together multiple clips seamlessly. Whether I'm working on a web project or putting together a presentation, GenSpark makes it super easy to embed those videos right where I need them. I think of it as a mini production studio, ready to bring my ideas to life in a fun and engaging way. Think about the possibilities. Maybe you're curious about fixing a car engine, or you want to cook a recipe and you want a step-by-step guide tailored just for you. Or perhaps you're eager to master specific yoga poses. Well, imagine this. The AI gathers all the relevant visuals, overlays an engaging voice track, and just like that, boom, you have your very own personalized mini documentary. How cool is that? Not only does GenSpark create amazing short-form videos, but it can also edit images. Unlike Manus, GenSpark is an incredible AI image studio that offers a fantastic suite of tools for generating, editing, and remixing images. You can easily remove objects, swap out backgrounds, and transform static images into dynamic videos. It's a creative playground. Whether you're a pro or just starting, GenSpark makes image manipulation fun and accessible. Are you enjoying the video? Kindly give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to this channel for more. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Back to GenSpark's AI assistant. Super Agent builds aesthetic websites with SEO in mind. With GenSpark, I can create an entire website for my digital marketing agency from just one prompt. It's incredible how the platform designs everything, from a sleek user interface to team photos, pricing tables, and even testimonials. Plus, it generates brand-specific images. It feels like having a developer, designer, and content writer all rolled into one, making the process easier and more efficient. For research reports, let's be honest, they can often be a snooze fest. That's why I love GenSpark. It has completely transformed the game by crafting structured deep dive reports that engage you. With handy tables of contents, eye-catching formatting, and even interactive chat features woven into the content, it feels more like a conversation than a chore. You can go through the details while having real-time discussions about the findings.
Hi, Jillian. I'd like to make a dinner reservation.
Yeah. For what day?
April 26th, please.
A standout feature of GenSpark is its multi-LLM agent architecture. Traditional agents are slower because they usually depend on only one LLM or large language model. In Manus's case, it employs Claude 3.7 Sonnet. Meanwhile, GenSpark uses the super cool mixture of agents approach with 9 different LLMs. Imagine having not just one, but 9 different LLMs at your disposal. This means GenSpark can smartly decide which model best suits any given task. Smaller models handle simple queries and routine operations, while larger, more sophisticated models tackle complex reasoning and decision-making. A central orchestrator component analyzes each task, breaks it into subtasks, and assigns them to the appropriate specialized models. Afterwards, the results are integrated into a coherent whole. Traditional AI agents can't compete with this level of flexibility and speed. Aside from that, another thing that sets GenSpark apart is its incredible arsenal of over 80 proprietary tools combined with 10 premium datasets. These add-ons are secret weapons in research and data analysis. With these resources, GenSpark doesn't just crunch numbers, it's executing strategies that make a difference. I love how this unique blend empowers users to explore, uncover insights, and drive results that others might miss. I have to say that GenSpark's user interface is user-friendly. It's sleek, clean, and intuitive, making it easy to move from idea to execution quickly. I love how the dashboard is packed with example projects and workflows ready to go. This gives me a head start. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, I'm inspired and motivated to dive right into my projects. It lays out everything clearly so I can focus on what matters, bringing my ideas to life without any unnecessary fuss. Alright, how did GenSpark perform on the Gaia, or General AI Assistant, benchmark test? It turns out Super Agent outperformed not just Manus, but also several models from OpenAI. That's quite an achievement. When tackling basic tasks, what they call Level 1, Super Agent hit a remarkable 87.8% success rate. That's impressive, right? But it doesn't stop there. For intermediate tasks at Level 2, it still managed a solid 72.7% success rate. And while Level 3, which involves complex tasks, saw a dip with 58.8% success rate, it's still a testament to its capabilities. Super Agent seems to be carving out its niche as a reliable assistant, and I can't help but wonder what the future holds for these technologies. Now let's talk about pricing. GenSpark offers a free plan that gives you 200 credits daily, perfect for testing things out. Honestly, those credits can disappear pretty quickly. If you want to leverage the AI assistant, paid options are available. $24.99 monthly or $19.99 if you commit to an annual plan. That's a pretty good deal compared to other tools that do not have a tool stack like GenSpark's. Take Manus, for example. It doesn't even have a free plan, which makes it a hard sell in 2025 when so many people are leaning toward freemium models. If you want something more robust, Manus offers a starter plan for just $9 a month, although you cannot execute more than one program at a time. And then there's the full plan priced at $200 a month, which is too expensive if you consider the average user. You can find something else that's more affordable and fits your needs, like GenSpark, without breaking the bank. And that's it for today. GenSpark Super Agent is still evolving, but it's already ahead of Manus in making phone calls, carrying out research, and editing videos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights like these. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Comment below on which AI agent you think is the best and why. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.